the spooky eyes used to be black, and they need to be black, and they need to make a big mouth like so scary and put the Spirit Halloween sign over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to spell that Spirit Halloween air dancer.
How about you, Kuya? What can you say about this one?
This is actually perfect. Hold on, Wackies. Before I turn this on, I want you to like and subscribe, or else you'll get no candy this Halloween.
Nah. Only no candy, no trick or treats.
Don't worry, like, subscribe, or else I will get you candy.
Aww.
Hey, Mom.
Good
Whoa,
morning.
what's that?
Where's your baby brother?
He's still in the metro.
Huh?
He's still in the metro.
Metro?
Yeah.
Oh, you meant that's Metro train.
Come on, the metro is closing.
Oh my goodness. You're in the Metro?
Yeah.
What does that see? Are you the one's gonna open it? Unbox it? Unboxing it? Unpacking it?
Here's you. Let me help
How about you two help each other?
you.
I wonder what is this. Kuya, I thought you're gonna help your brother.
It's a Spirit Halloween air dancer.
Is it?
From what I see, there's a bat. I think there's a pumpkin.
Oh,
It's this-
cool, guys.
It's
Whoa.
the Spirit Halloween air dancer.
This is a pumpkin Halloween air dancer. Like a spirit Halloween air dancer from Hutseneko Chiga. Guys, it is 15 feet. We need a 15-footer. Lower.
I don't know where.
I just opened this up.
It's like the 20-footer.
Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
This
Here
looks-
you go. This is gonna
Let me just put
open
this
it.
into the-
I thought it looks like a Spirit Halloween.
You put it the head here, right here, so that we can see. Oh my goodness! Can you spread it?
Mama.
Can you spread it right there, Kuya? Can you pick up the
Mama.
bottom and you walk back and then whoa! Look at that!
Mama.
Oh my goodness! See.
Mama. I thought that Spirit Halloween and if that and the spirit and the spooky eyes used to be black, and they need to be black, and they need to make a big mouth like so scary and put the Spirit Halloween sign over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to spell that Spirit Halloween air dancer.
How about you, Kuya? What can you say about this one?
This is actually perfect.
This is cool, right?
Who's that?
Who's that? You almost
And
fell.
also, Mom, I think for Halloween we should add this.
Yeah. And this is, it says a 15 feet pumpkin Halloween air dancer inflatable tube man. So, we're gonna say how it looks like. So, it has a black hair, guys. Mama just had a copy. It has a black hair. It has a pumpkin stem out of his head. And then the face is a pumpkin. Right, see?
Yeah, because they need to put this. They need to put a Spirit Halloween face. We need to.
Curve it.
We need to put someone. Yesterday, someone put the big eyes and put the dot and they put the It's right there, and take off this nose and take off this thing and put this Spirit Halloween sign over there.
Ah, but what they did instead is they carved the eyes, and it has a yellow. They carved the nose. They carved the mouth. So this is like a pumpkin head.
Yeah, jack-o'-lantern.
Jack-o'-lantern. This is like a jack-o'-lantern. Kuya's correct. Jack-o'-lantern head. It's pumpkin head.
Mama,
And then,
Mama, maybe let's call this Air Dancer Spirit Halloween.
you wanna call it Air Dancer Spirit Halloween?
Yeah.
Ah. And then, it doesn't have fingers, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like a hand with a black hand.
Yeah.
And it has a robe. That's like a robe, right?
Yeah.
With a black robe and yellow inside. And what is that?
Bat.
And a lot of bats. How many bats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Here, let me count
6,
that.
7,
8, 9, 10.
10?
10 bats.
Are you sure only 10?
10 bats.
Wow. And look at that. It's back to back. Wow.
We love back to back.
You like back to back? So are you ready to put it right there and carry it on?
Yeah, because we have more space.
Alright, so let's do it. Alright, Kuya's gonna put it right there. And we're gonna go on this side. And Kuya's putting the Air Dancer. They're not in a zipper anymore, no mahal.
Wait, who is...
They do not have zipper no more, no?
Yeah.
They're just extending it.
Why are you bullying me?
Who's bullying you? That's bad. Okay? Wakis, no bullying. That is bad attitude. Okay?
Like a school PSA.
We don't condone that.
Yeah, this is too big.
It's too big, you think. Oh, we're gonna put it right there, as I always say. Go over. Now. Voila. There. This is a 15-feet air dancer. 15-feet Halloween air dancer, guys. From Houdini, of course. So if you like to buy that, that is in Amazon. And they have a different prices for different
See, get off!
sizes.
Hold on, let me get back to
Let's get it there. Who is the rock star? Because this is the one who unboxed. Alright.
Hold on, Wackies. Before I turn this on, I want you to like and subscribe. Or else, you'll get no candy this Halloween.
Nyeh. Only no candy, no trick or treats.
Don't worry. Like, subscribe or else I will get you candy.
Aww. Wow. Oh yes, look at that. Wow. Let's see.
I said OMG.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yes.
How about you, Kuya? You like it? Wow. Gotta put that at the front. On the trick or treat.
Yeah.
Wow.
After how sweet.
Trick or treat there. Wow, look at that, guys. So it fits that 20-footer blower. This is a 15-feet air dancer, and it fits the 20-footer blower. And look at that, back to back, guys. One at the front. Same size. Side. And up back. One at the back. Just like that. Wow. This is it. Our pumpkin Halloween air dancer. Or pumpkin Halloween inflatable tube man air dancer. Sisi requests it. Kuya likes it.
Day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day, Lucky. See you next time. Bye. Have a we're Halloween air dance today. Bye-bye. Remember, subscribe or else I will get you candy.